Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to make captivating text animations with changing colors using CapCut. Let's dive in. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Then add your background or footage to the timeline. Now let's add the text. Choose a font that suits your style and type in your desired text. Adjust the font and color to your preference. Copy the background and paste it. Select the duplicated background, go to Basic, click the Canvas option, and choose the color you prefer. Then create a compound clip. Place the color above the text layers and background. Select the top color, go to Mask, click the rectangle, and adjust it. Add keyframes for animation. Copy the text layer. Change the text color. Then create a compound clip with the top text layer and select the rectangle mask. Adjust as needed and add keyframes. And there you have it, a dazzling color-changing text animation ready to impress your viewers. Feel free to experiment with different colors, fonts, and animation styles to make it uniquely yours. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial on creating a dazzling color-changing text animation in CapCut. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy editing!